So, hi there, this is Rahul. Welcome to Geeks, and after a long time I am just back on my channel and welcome back to all of you. So, today it's another unboxing and it's no more off-topic video. So, this is a charger from Sony that I have bought recently. I just wanted to test out how does it work, and it's not a kind of fast charger but it's a normal charger with 5 volt and 2.1 ampere output. So yeah, it has arrived and I'll be talking to you about the prices later on. So let's just cut it out, and I don't have anything like knife, so I just have a scissor. It's quite good unboxing, so let's try to unbox it. Yeah, it's quite sharp to unbox. And they have just wrapped it well in a bubble wrapper, and yeah, here's the charger with this Flipkart branding, and I think I have to cut it again. So yeah, let's just cut it out. That was quite easy. So yeah, here is the charger, and this is quite a big box. Not a big, but quite good. So here it is written that it has 1 year of warranty, 2.1 ampere fast charge. It's not practically fast charge, but it's quite fast. One port obviously, and the good thing is that this is an adapter with one cable included already. That means we are getting a cable. Quite good. And on the left there is something from Flipkart marking, and the price code here is 910 rupees, and Sony Corporation, that's all. December 2017, that is a new model. And yeah, as you can see, interesting design, intelligent power controller, 2.1 ampere. You can charge like camera, PlayStation, handycam, even a tablet, etc. Let's see the technical specification. That will be important much. So as you can see, it's kind of reflective, but I can still read it. Input AC 100 to 240 volt, 0.3 ampere. Output DC 5 volt, max 2.1 ampere. Dimension is written something about 57 gram. Operating temperature 35 degrees centigrade. And yeah, that's some of the instruction. And so let's unbox it and see what's inside. So it's already sealed, I think, so I have to open the seal. So let's try. I don't have a knife, so it'll be quite tough to open the seal, but yeah, it was quite easy. So yeah, I have just opened the seal, and I don't know how to open it out. Okay. It's kind of weird how to open it, man. Let's just check. Okay, let's finally open, and it's kind of weird. I'll just check it out. The kernel is quite big, like my Lenovo one. Okay, and there's kind of a peculiar rubberized finish in the kernel, and it's original Sony one. And as you can see, so we're also getting a wire, which is quite thick and long also, right? It's quite thick. And also getting something like, I don't know what it's called, something, but I have seen it in my camera charger. So yeah, the good thing is that the wire is quite thick, even thicker than this typical wire. So yeah, let's check out the wattage and kind of thing. Previously I just used the original Samsung one, that's this one I really used previously, and it had an output of 5 volt 154 ampere, so it's even better, I would say. So yeah, let's just put it, and let's check. It's from Sony and it has a very thick wire. So yeah, I have my Galaxy J7 Prime, and it's just getting charged. So I have an app called Ampere, and I'm gonna check out what's happening. Let me just increase the brightness a bit. Okay, so it's gonna measure, and yeah, it's drawing quite well. 1090, yeah, quite well. I don't know how much it can draw maximum. Let's wait for some time. still increasing. 1300, quite good. And its max is 2.1 ampere, I think. That means 2100 milliampere. So let's see how can it draw max. So right now it's drawing at 1300, and this is just unboxing. As you can guys see, I'll be giving a full review of this charger. How much time does it take to fully charge a 3300 milliampere battery practically, because this is that one capacity. As you can see, the capacity is 300. So I'll be recharging and I'll be back. So that's it for now. Hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe. And oh, 1 second, I just forgot to show you this one. This is just another. So yeah, I'm back. Just as you can see, this is just kind of user manual. You can just read it. So not that much important. So that's it for now. Hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Signing off for the moment. You guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye now.